What's up, Josh here at Dynasty Auto Detailing. We got this Jeep in for our Pro Coating package. So I'm gonna start off with the wash, get everything all cleaned up, pull it onto the lift and get everything set because of this package. Wheels come off and we get the faces, the barrels and the calipers get coated on this. And then we go on the whole Jeep, polish the whole Jeep, and then after all that, panel wipe it and everything gets coated. Glass, paint, trim, and the wheels. With coatings, it's a must to get because it protects your paint, protects it from UV rays, and the hydrophobics is insane. And when it comes to washing your car, it takes like 10 minutes to wash because the hydrophobic is crazy. Nothing sticks to it, and it just makes washing your car a breeze. So this is how she looks. It's pretty dirty. You can't really tell in the sun, but she is dirty. Got some bugs in the front, etc., etc. I don't know if you can see on the windshield, but we're gonna get this Jeep coated, protected with our finest professional. So I'll keep you updated on the process of getting all this done.